was just walking past the potting shed and I thought I would like to share with you Eranthis hyemalis. It's a small flowering plant. It's sold in the fall with bulbs, and actually it's tiny little rhizomes connect the plant together, and it looks like little bulblets when you divide them up. It's easy to grow in average soil and flowers very early. This is March 23rd. It's been in bloom almost for a week already, and it has young plants seed around. There it is in between the Helleborus orientalis, the Lenten rose. You see the seedling right in there? It's kind of cool. It just finds its home. There's another one right there. There's some more seedlings over here. And you can dig them out when they're dormant and move them around. There's another guy right here. There's one coming through the foliage right here of the grass. It's a nice early spring bulb-like plant, not actually a bulb. You should try a few. You can order them or buy them in the fall and plant some. Look at a little fly. I guess that'd be a pollinator, right? I'm not an ologist of anything, but I see a fly right there. That's pretty cool. All right, everybody, we're going to take a walk over and see Adonis amurensis. This is the Adonis amurensis Fukujukia in bloom. You can see about 50% of the flowers are open, and the others will continue to open slowly as the next few days go by, and the older ones will last and start to fade. It's a wonderful plant, as I mentioned earlier. Look at the nice foliage too. It's got beautiful foliage. And I think the Plant Delights, I mentioned it before, Plant Delights on the East Coast might have it. So, okay, this is our moment. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.